What is the difference between a will and a trust? That's a great question, and often we find there's a lot of confusion between the two. Probably the number one issue we find is that individuals think that a will avoids probate, but that is exactly the opposite. A will means that your estate will go through the probate process. Well, what is the probate process? In Arkansas, the process lasts about 7 to 14 months. It's going to last at least 7 months because a newspaper notice has to be published for creditors, and that lasts for 6 months. So it doesn't matter if mom and dad paid all their bills or not, you still have to go through the probate process. Now, beyond that, it's very, very expensive. The average probate is about $5,000 to $15,000, and that's set by the Arkansas statute, which is about 3% of the estate. So a $200,000 home means that the estate's going to be at least $6,000. Now, a trust, on the other hand, does avoid probate. In fact, it not only avoids probate, but it saves your family thousands of dollars. First, they don't have to have an attorney for 7 to 14 months after your death. Your estate can be easily and quickly administered to your loved ones. And it's easy to administer, so if you have children out of state, it's easy for them to transact your estate through the trust as opposed to dealing with a court and a judge to approve all of your decisions. Not only that, but the trust is private. It's not public record for the world to see what your estate is worth. It's all contained in a trust. And lastly, you have control over that trust. You can make any changes that you want and put restrictions and conditions on your family. So if you have an 18-year-old, you may not want them to receive your entire estate at 18. You may give the funds for college and may say they get half at 25 and the remainder at 30. It just gives you more control over your estate at your passing. If you'd be interested in an estate plan, we'd be more than willing to sit down and talk with you. To start our process, give us a call and we'll send you our estate planning questionnaire. We'll ask you what your main concerns are: avoiding probate, charitable giving, restrictions on children, avoiding the rising costs of a nursing home. Please give us a call and we'll be glad to start that process with you.